So here is the Pride Victory 9 scooter. This little scooter has been with us for about just about 2 years. Wife loves it, and I want to go ahead and show you how you take it apart and put it back together. So you can put it in your trunk, you could put it in your SUV in the back, you know, wherever. This is Jedis for Jesus, and I'm a Bible-believing Christian. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. Okay, so you got a little horn here. And then this right here is slow. Right there, turtle speed. And then right there, that gives you jackrabbit speed. And this thing goes pretty dang fast. And then right here you got an indicator light to let you know how full the battery is. And your key. And you also want to keep it off when it's stored so it doesn't drain the battery. And then another button for the horn, and this right here is the button for the light up in front. So it has the forward and reverse, but this would be forward and this would be reverse. I mean, this would also be forward, and it doesn't say how that works like that, so that would be reverse. So it's say forward, and then this would also be forward. So it just makes it a little bit difficult that way, that it's like if you're right-handed, then it's like, okay, that will be forward, or see, messed up right there. So that would be reverse, which is the opposite of where you're going, and pushing the lever, and then that would be forward. So you just got to get familiarized with that and get used to it. But it's like, I would just do it with my left hand, because like that's forward and you go forward, that's reverse and you go reverse. So that side's opposite. Down here is where you actually charge it. It comes with a charger unit, and in here is where all your fuses are. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and show you the seat. You can go ahead and put the seat down, and then you just lift up and the seat comes off. Then I want to go ahead and show you underneath the seat here that it has this lever right here, and it goes around this right here. So when you lift this up, then what happens with the seat is it'll actually turn this way. It locks into place. So you can have the seat that way. Like I showed you before. So you can put the seat down and it just lifts up. So we'll put this to the side here. And then what I want to show you is up here in the front part, the basket. If you want to take the basket off, I'll show you how to do that. So that little thing right here, go forward like this. And just lift off. And then right there you have the when you have to put it back on, there's a bar going across there and up there in the top. When you put it back on, slide it on the bottom and up on the top, and it just clicks in. So again, let's take this off. I can just put this to the side. We got a little horn there. That doesn't come with the scooter, that's extra. And a nice little pouch there that you can have a water bottle in or anything like that. That comes extra too. Oh, and by the way, this dog right here, that's how my wife takes him for a walk on this scooter here. There you go. He's gonna get into the video. Now over here is so the next thing that you do is, this is actually the cover, and it's velcroed on there. So all you have to do is lift it, and it's got two little areas right there where those go in. So when you put it back in, just put it into the hole, Velcro it back. But just go ahead and take it off like this. Put that. And you have the batteries here. You have a strap that keeps them secure in there. You can go ahead and, there's like a little clip here. Remove it. And then you have two spots where you have for each battery that you unplug. And these batteries are very heavy. So the other part that's very heavy on this is the back end here. And so what I like to do here is, after I get it like that, I take the cover and put that back on. And then right here, the handle, you put your hand underneath there, you lift up, and as you're lifting up, you pull up on the whole unit. And as you can see right there, on each side is the hook that goes onto that bar right there. So I'll go ahead and show you that. This back part right here, where the engine is probably as heavy as both batteries, so that's the heaviest part. You loosen that, and that will bring down that guy like that. The steering mechanism. And you can go ahead and tighten it. Then you've got your unit apart like that, and this makes it a little bit easier to get it in your vehicle. take the handle, line up on either side here the loops, and you put it back on the bar, and you just drop it in, and it should clip in very easily. Then you take the cover off. Place the batteries in. Just like that. Then you go ahead and the white and black on each side very easily. Hook it up, both batteries, and then you want to go ahead and strap it in. So once you got it strapped in, like I said, down here, you put it into those little slots, Velcro it back on the back like that. Then we're going to go ahead and take the seat, put that back in, and like it just drops in, you know, very easily. And then showed you earlier how this works. Put this back. Make sure you get it down here at the bottom. There you go. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. What I want to show you back here is that right there. If you push this forward, then this thing actually is a neutral and will actually roll. And that will put it into gear and it won't move. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.